Getting the test version of Flight Booking Bot.
Hello. Welcome to the flight ticket booking process. How can I help you?
Hello, my name is Sanjay Singhal. I am the student of BTech final year graduation of Computer Science and Engineering branch pursuing from ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad. I am working on the project called AI-based chatbot for human assistance, which provides services in different sectors of the field like healthcare, flight booking system, food ordering system, and so on like this for customer service. Basically, as you all know that in today's business world, chatbot plays a very important role. So we try to build a chatbot which provide the service at any place at any time in any device. Like you can access this chatbot by using web, by using smartphones, by using smartwatches, and so on. So basically what we try to apply the technique which will we will discuss in this further video. Before that, here is a small introduction from my team.
My name is Osho Garg. My role in project is that I have worked with a Spring Boot which act as a backend in which I have implemented controller class, repository layer, service layer, and I have used Oracle as a database, and I have implemented the flight module and integrated chatbot with the Telegram Android application.
Here is the demonstration of, you can say that the integration of our chatbot with the Telegram tool. Basically, Telegram is similar to the WhatsApp which is used for sending the message. Basically, you can create groups on Telegram as well. So here is the demonstration of our chatbot on Telegram. Like, hello, who are you? Then it says that I am a conversation app. So basically, you can interact with the chatbot with, like, you can say that uh, with different methods and different personal talks. So let's begin our conversation with this to book a flight. So I want to book a flight from Delhi to Goa, flying on 9 July. So as you know that I have provided the source, destination as well as date. So the chatbot don't ask to us that please enter the source, please enter the destination. It will automatically fetch from the query. So now it will ask only for the time like 6 p.m. Then it will send you the message that it will book your flight.
My name is Sanjay Singhal. I am working on the different modules for connecting their backend to front end with the help of REST APIs. I am also working on the tool of Google Dialogflow, which provides the feature of natural language processing and speech recognition and speech to text and text to speech conversion. A project which consisting of different modules means which are the multi-module based like food system, pizza ordering system, healthcare management system, hotel booking system, and so on. So basically, my main role is to connect the APIs and create REST APIs for these different modules, and also to create test agents for different modules on Google Dialogflow. Apart from this, I have worked on the different front end using Angular and back end using Java Spring Boot of different modules. Like you can say that first is movie search engine, second is pizza ordering, and so on. I have also completed the web implemented integration of the chatbot as well as the integration of this chatbot with the Google Assistant, so that you can access the same chatbot with your smartphones at any time. So let's move to the demonstration of this chatbot.
So you can see that here is our Dialogflow console from where we are creating agents. Like here the list of agent I am working on that part. Like agent name, agent can you can change the name of agent, alarm, coffee shop, banking, flight booking, hotel booking, job interviews, maps, news, online shopping, pizza ordering, restaurant booking, tourism, video, weather, and uh, there are around 25 agents I have created in this project, so that this will be multi-module and this will behave approximately same to the Google Assistant. So and this project is deployed to the Google Cloud platform as well as, so you can access it from anywhere. So here is the small front end from the flight booking, small front end from the coffee shop, from hotel booking, and so on. So like we can test it on Google Assistant for demonstration. Like, and I am using my voice to test it. Talk to flight booking bot.
Getting the test version of Flight Booking Bot.
Hello. Welcome to the flight ticket booking process. How can I help you?
So from the Google Assistant, from my chatbot, similar to the Google Assistant, I am receiving the message. So I want to book a flight from Delhi to Bombay.
Enter city from where you will flying.
Delhi.
Tell me your destination city.
Bangalore.
Enter the date of departure.
So in this way we can we can use our chatbot with different platforms. Like here is the web implementation. Like I want to hello. So here is the coffee shop implementation. You can also use
Good day. I have a lot coffee and snacks. What can I get you to drink?
coffee. Mm, Pickup medium. Yes. Yes. You can implement this hotel booking, which is the agent used to search and make your manage hotels content code. So you can have a look at here. So here here is the small demonstration of the flight booking module, which is having front end, having different functionalities of sign up and as well as login. And here is the chatbot. You can I am integrating chatbot with the front end, like hello or thank you.
I'm Sagar and I am final year student of ABS Engineering College, Kadeva. I am doing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. Our major project title is AI-based chatbot for human assistant, which means our chatbot will provide assistance to all types of customers and users. Our chatbot takes the query or the action user is want to perform and process that query or perform the action. But for, but for taking the query, every chatbot needs some front end or user interface so that user can give his query and the query can be executed at the back end. So front end play a major part of the chatbot because only through that the query is going to be executed at the back end. And I chose Angular framework for developing the front end. I also work for Slack integration to show that how our chatbot works with Slack, and it also shows how our chatbot will function with other apps or other platforms where user want to use our chatbot. So that's all from my side.
Demonstration of our chatbot with the integration of Slack tool. Basically, Slack is a communication channel where we can communicate with our team as well as individuals. So here we start like hello. Then you will get the response from the dialog below for hello, welcome to the flight booking process. How can I help you? Like if you want to do some personal talks with your uh, this particular flight bot, you can also do like how are you? I'm good. So now I want to book a flight ticket. So it asks for the our source city. It will be Delhi, Mumbai. Date of departure, like I said, 9 September 2020. So it will give the response that the I have booked the flight for this particular date for this particular time flying from Delhi to Mumbai. So in this way you can integrate your chatbot with the different platforms, and you will get the output like you are talking with a real time customers to provide you support.